Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I just baked banana muffins with a cream cheese frosting. I hope you guys enjoy this. You're going to start off by setting your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Now in a large mixing bowl, you're going to go ahead and mix all of your dry ingredients. You're going to do 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. And then you're just going to mix that all together. In a separate bowl, you're going to mix together all of your wet ingredients, and you're going to do 3 ripe bananas, and then I just mashed them around with a fork. You're going to do a 3/4 cup of butter, melted, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I just went ahead and mixed all that together. You're going to go ahead and combine your dry and your wet ingredients and mix those until they're smooth. For some reason I didn't notice that this recipe doesn't call for sugar, so I went ahead and added a cup of sugar. I went ahead and greased up my pan with vegetable oil, and then I got an ice cream scoop and put 1 scoop in each. Now I put it in the oven for 20 minutes. While those were baking, I went ahead and made the frosting. For the frosting, I mixed 6 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1/3 cup of sugar. And I put those in the mixer until it was completely smooth. letting them cool as long as they should have because I was kind of in a hurry. So Just let them cool enough to where you can put the frosting on to where it won't melt, and they'll probably look a lot better than mine. I got both of these recipes off of Pinterest, so I'll go ahead and link them down in the description. I really like the way that these banana muffins came out though. They came out really soft. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell so you guys don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!